middle of June, and we're baking gingerbread. We're decorating gingerbread houses. I roll out 2,000 plus gingerbread houses every year using this as a rolling pin. Got about 1,000 of these houses standing, and we need to stand about 1,000 more. And the 2,000 of them combined will get completely decorated, assembled, ready, and then ready to ship out by Veterans Day to 4 locations around the country: Kansas City, Philadelphia, Houston, and then of course here in New York City. And I run 4 dehumidifiers around the clock down here and take anywhere from 10 to 30 gallons of water every day out of the air, because when it gets humid, the gingerbread falls apart. I get the unique nature of knowing I do something that makes people happy and they enjoy it.